DW19 Metal Roof System. Duorway researched and developed the world-class maintenance-free DW19 360-degree standing seam metal roof system using its more than 30 years of industry experience and advanced technologies from China and abroad. Introduction to the structure of the DW19 metal roof system. DW19 roof panels are made from aluminized zinc and aluminized magnesium zinc color-coated steel sheets with excellent corrosion resistance. They have an effective cover width of 468 millimeters and a crest height of 70 millimeters. This greatly improves their service life, rigidity, and water drainage. The female rib of the DW19 roof panel is pre-formed 215 degrees into a pre-locking mechanism. This increases efficiency by eliminating the need to lock each panel after installation. The panels are also wind-resistant before completely occluding, reducing potential safety hazards. Transverse stiffeners placed 190 millimeters apart in the troughs prevent damage caused by trampling. The panels are much stronger than panels with only lengthwise stiffeners. High-quality butyl rubber is pre-injected into the female rib of the panels using Duorway's unique rubber injection machine, significantly improving the air tightness and water tightness after occluding. DW19 roof panels are firmly connected to roof purlins using Duorway's unique sliding support, whose base is made of corrosion-resistant, high-strength sheets of steel formed in single stamps. The crossbar, made of cadmium-plated high-carbon steel, has good corrosion resistance and a low friction coefficient, allowing it to slide smoothly. The slider is made of 0.6 millimeter thick stainless steel with super high tensile strength. It is temporarily centered and limited by the positioning clamps. The roof panels and sliders are joined together by an electric seamer. The whole roof can freely expand and contract on the sliding supports as the temperature changes, thus eliminating the stress caused by expansion and contraction. The exterior panels of the DW19 standing seam metal roof system are profiled and processed on-site so that there are no lap joints in the slope direction. This prevents potential water leaks caused by screws at the lap joints, as well as panels sliding due to uneven lapping. The DW19 roof panels are joined together using a special seam connection machine whose pulley and clamping wheels are adjusted to match the roof's height and vertical seams. This ensures 360-degree occlusion, undamaged paint, and tight rubber seals. The DW19 system is FM approved. It has a wind rating of FM 1 to 120 and can bear a maximum wind load of 5.7 kPa when the steel sheets have a thickness of 0.6 millimeters, a yield strength of 350 MPa, and a purlin spacing of 1.5 meters. Unique jointing method of DW19 metal roof system. Duorway's standard gable joint design allows whole roof panels to slide, preventing water leaks. Installation steps and unique jointing method. Installing the flanged angle steel on the starting slide to facilitate fixing flashing along the slope. Installing full-length transitional flashing with sliding support and no overlapping. Installing metal fasteners to ensure the transitional flashing is reliably fixed and can stretch and slide. Installing roof panels and sliding support. Installing gable flashing and internal parapet plates. Duorway's unique gable detail allows sliding without overlapping. Duorway's standard gutter eave joint design makes it easy to fix rubber plugs and stainless steel gutters, accurately install roof panels, and so on. The rubber plugs are fixed between the gutter flange and roof panel ribs to avoid water leaks. Installation steps and unique jointing method. Installing the stainless steel gutter. Laying the first waterproof butyl adhesive tape. Installing the pre-perforated conversion folding pieces. Laying the second waterproof butyl adhesive tape. using structural fasteners to fix rubber closures and ensuring that the cover width of the roof panel is 468 millimeters. Laying butyl rubber tape on the outward-facing side of the rubber plugs. Installing the roof panels. Using bolts to fix the wind-resistant battens and ensure precision and quality. Doorway's standard ridge joint design prevents nail holes from tearing due to expansion and contraction. This prevents water from corroding the nails and causing leaks. Installation steps and unique jointing method. Installing roof panels and temporarily fixing the ridge limit stiffener plates. Installing sliding support and controlling the width of the roof panel. Installing the next roof panel and temporarily fixing the ridge limit reinforcing plate. Installing reinforcing plate limit bolts and sliding support and ensuring the installation width of the roof panel is 468 millimeters. Completing the seam connection and laying the first waterproof butyl adhesive tape. Using bolts to fix the waterproof metal plates that match the roof panels. Laying the second butyl adhesive tape. Installing the flexible ridge cover plate to allow the panels to expand and contract. Doorway's standard roof daylighting bands are arranged in a dot pattern. 360-degree seaming effectively prevents uneven sliding of the bands, potential dust accumulation, and water leaks. Installation steps and unique jointing method. Connecting the exterior roof panels with galvanized steel liner strips and covering the joints with continuous strips of waterproof butyl adhesive tape. Paving a standing seam skylight. Cutting 150 millimeters off the crest of the lower end plate at the lap joint to facilitate sealing. Laying a continuous waterproof strip of butyl adhesive tape on the standing seam skylight. Installing wind-resistant battens to firmly connect the standing seam skylight with the roof panel. Creating a 360-degree seam with the electric seamer to ensure that the roof can contract and expand. Doorway's standard joint design for roof openings prevents water leaks commonly seen around pipes and fan openings. Circular openings less than 300 millimeters in diameter use a special flexible DEX cover to meet waterproofing requirements. Square openings use a split-type base bracket. The exterior roof panels and the flashing are fixed to the support, which allows the roof curb to slide together with the panel. This prevents leaks caused by expansion and contraction. Installation steps and unique jointing method. Mark fan locations on site and reserve openings for them. Installing the split-type base support between the exterior roof panel and the insulation along the boundary of the openings. Laying waterproof butyl adhesive tape on the aluminum alloy flashing on the wet side and fixing the waterproof rubber plugs. Placing the aluminum alloy flashing between the wet side of the roof panel and the roof curb support. Laying waterproof butyl adhesive tape at the base of the prefabricated roof curb. Fixing the roof curb through the roof panels on the supports using structural fasteners. Installing wind-resistant clips inside the opening. Installing wet side diverters and wind-resistant battens.